This is the official student app of Madan Youth Academy, MYA, bringing all school-related information within just one click. To log in, students simply enter their 5-digit registration number and 5-digit PIN. Turning on Remember Me means you won't need to log in again and again. You can also sign in using Face ID, and if you forget your PIN, the Forgot PIN option is right there. After logging in, the home screen displays the student's profile, name, class, section, and registration number, with all the app's features available below in quick access. In the attendance section, the entire month's attendance is shown in a calendar format with present, absent, and leave displayed in different colors, along with the monthly attendance percentage shown at the top. In Daily Diary, the school uploads the daily diary, which can be zoomed in to easily read the homework for each subject. The fee section shows the current fee status and complete payment history, including amount, date, bank, and challan number. Fee challans and vouchers can be viewed anytime. Exam Outline provides the complete assessment date sheet and syllabus, which can also be downloaded. The results section shows marks and grades for each subject, along with total, percentage, and class position, and the full report card can also be viewed. The Notices section carries all announcements from the school office, such as fee reminders or holiday notifications. The timetable shows the full week's class schedule, period by period. Through concerns and requests, any issue or request can be submitted directly within the app. Each request receives a tracking code, and the school's response is also received within the app. The Summer Task section shows the submission date for tasks along with marks for each subject. School timing displays the school hours for all days of the week. From the Account section, students can change their PIN, turn on biometric unlock, and control notifications. And if more than one child studies at the same school, switching to the other child's account takes just one tap. No need to log in again. These are all the key features of the MYA app. Download it today.